Hello, my sweet and precious children. I hope my sixth graders are doing fantastic. Today we're going to be talking about greatest common factor, which is one of my favorite things because you will even be using this in algebra. So make sure you understand this stuff because if you don't, it'll be complicated later. Here's what it's going to be really important that you actually know your multiplication tables. So hopefully you guys do, and I haven't been harping on that as much as I should have, but yes, you should know your multiplication tables or it'll be a lot more difficult. All right, so we're talking about lesson 20 today. I'm going to talk about example number 1 says, find the greatest common factor of 12 and 18. Greatest common factor, 12 and 18. All right, so the best way to do this is we want to take our 12 and we're going to list out all our factors. And you guys may be used to it by listing it this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, but and that's fine, but you'll miss one. It's really easy to miss one. So this is how I tell you to do it, and I'm not even joking, this is how I'm gonna tell you to do it in algebra as well. Always start with your easy one, 1 times 12, right? After 1 comes 2, so 2 times 6. After 2 comes 3, so 3 times 4. After 3 comes 4, 4 is already on the board, you're done. So then we've got 18, 1 times 18, 2 times 9, after 2 comes 3, 3 times 6, after 3 comes 4, 4 does not go in, after 4 is 5, 5 doesn't go in, after 5 is 6, 6 is on the board, so we're good. So guys, the common factors that they have are 1, 2, 3, 6, do you see 6 here? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then they have 6, and that's it, right? So the common factors are those guys. The greatest common factor is the largest of the common factors. In that case, it's gonna be 6, okay? Good, so let's find out. All right, so that's essentially it on these guys. There's another example one, but what I'd like you to do is now practice A through H on page 97. Do those practice problems. Pause it, come on back, and let's double check that you've got these right. So 10 and 15. If you haven't already paused it, give this a shot. We have 1 times 10. After 1 comes 2, 2 times 5. After 2 comes 3. 3 does not go into 10. 4 does not go into 10. 5 does, it's already on the board, so we're good. 1 times 15. After 1 is 2. 2 does not go in, but 3 does. 3 times 5. After 3 comes 4. 4 does not go into 15. After 4 is 5, and 5 is already on the board. Bam, our greatest common factor is 5. Okay, so you should write GCF equals 5, okay? Let's look at B. 18 and 27. So we'll start with 18. We've got 1 times 18. We have 2 times 9, 3 times 6, right? Not 4, not 5, and 6 is already on the board. 1 times 27, not 2, but 3 times 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9's already on the board, we're good. All right, so the greatest common factor that they have is 9 and 9. So let's try C, 18 and 24. Well, fortunately we have all our 18 listed there, but it's a good idea to practice these over and over again. And then 24, I love 24 and 48 are my favorite to find the factors of. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, after 2 comes 3, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, after 4 is 5, does not go into 5. 6 it does, but it's already on the board. So our greatest common factor here is 18, 24, 9, 12, 6 again. I think we had a 6 earlier. All right, so there we go. That was C. So I hope you're getting the idea on these guys. Let's do one of the big ones. Blah, blah, blah. Let's do D. 12, 18, and 24. 12, 18, and 24. Well, let's start with 12. We have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4, and that's it. 18, we have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, 4, 5, 6, 6 already up there, 24. 1 times 24, these are all ones I just did. 2 times, this is why you should be writing it down because you probably have it in front of you, but I erase, right? So I don't see it. 3 times 8, 4 times 6. And guys, you notice I'm going in order specifically. This is so you don't skip ones. And because when you get to algebra, you have to do this thing called factoring, and it's a lot easier if you have all your factors just right in one place. All right, let's find the greatest common factor between these guys. Well, between these two, it's 6 and 6. So it looks like, again, we've got 6 is our greatest common factor with all those guys. All right, guys, go ahead and give the rest of those a try, and you'll see the answers. I'll make sure to post that for your parents. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, fantastic work, and I'll see you next time.